Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Srinagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about what is the importance of evacuation of your bowels early in the morning according to Ayurveda. I know whenever we talk about evacuation of bowels in today's era, it is just a very normal thing, like anytime you can go evacuate. But in Ayurveda, there is a different aspect of looking towards it. In Ayurveda, a lot of importance has been given that your colon should be clean. It should be evacuated in the morning properly. That means going to stools, like going to evacuate your bowel, is also an important task according to Ayurveda. Let's try to understand why is it so. Because according to Ayurveda, if you evacuate your bowel system or if you clean your bowels in the morning, that is, if you pass stool in the morning when you get up before rising sun, it will promote tremendous mental health and physical health. But these days our lifestyle is like this. We are getting up after rising sun at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, because we are working late at night. That's why we want proper sleep and we are getting up after sunrise. And whenever we are getting up after sunrise, evacuation of bowels is not an easy thing. As we are forgetting the certain rules that are described by nature for our body. For example, like as we know, our bodies are tuned with nature, or you can understand it as like our bodies follow the cycles of nature. You must have observed many times, like during daytime you feel more active, but at night you feel sleepy. No matter how much work you are doing in the morning or afternoon, its quality is much better as compared to the work that you do during the night. Because during morning, if you are not sleeping, that doesn't make much difference on your health. But if at night you are not sleeping, that gives a big toll on your system. That's why sleeping at night is the most important thing. People should go to bed by 10 o'clock and get up by 6, because this cycle of nature, which is like during night, like if you observe all the birds who works during the day, this naturally sleep during the night, except for those animals whose cycle goes through night, like they are night predators like owls or other things who become active during night. But most of the people, especially these herbivorous animals, if you observe, they eat grass during the day and they sleep during the night. At night they don't get up and start grazing things. If you have cows at your home, and at night most of the times if you go to some cow shed, most of the cows are sleeping, like they closed eyes, they sit and they get up very early in the morning, like 5 or 6 o'clock. Because our system, like our body system, how these four-legged animals are doing, especially herbivores, because our teeth are also, if you saw, incisors are same as herbivorous animals, and we have canines also, but they are rudimentary. They are not active. Canines are like leopards or like dogs. It's not like that. We are more related to these herbivorous animals. That's why in Ayurveda and in yoga, a lot of importance has been given to vegetarian diet as compared to non-vegetarian diet. But yes, when it is need for the body as a medicine, will take. But Ayurveda and yoga, they both support vegetarian diet. Why? Because both yoga and Ayurveda are more tuned with nature. Their studies, their descriptions, the laws, the principles that are mentioned in yoga or Ayurveda, they are more and more in connection with nature. So, if we also try to schedule our cycles according to nature, night sleep becomes extremely important. And if you sleep well at night, you will see in the morning your all senses will work very well. You will see yourself very fresh life and very enthusiastic, full of energy when you are getting up. But if you are not getting proper sleep during the night, you will see some kind of tingling sensation is there, you are tired, you have headache, you are just confused, your decision making capacity is less. So all these symptoms develop. Why? Because we are not in tune with nature. That's why in Ayurveda a lot of importance has been given that you should make yourself in tune with nature. Let's try to understand it with more elaborate example and very common thing which we have seen, like at night always moon comes in the sky, and as we know moon is the symbol for coolness. Moon give coolness to the system, lubrication to the system, and moon also symbolizes water. So when we sleep, this is the time when body lubricates itself, like body is like just like a machine. So night is the time when it produces lubrication to the system. That's why when you get up in the morning, you will see a lot of mucus discharge sometimes happen. Though you are healthy, but you feel in the morning there is a lot of mucus discharge. Not when I am saying mucus discharge, I am not saying about the infection, that yellow color discharge, that is definitely infected, but generally, you know, when you brush your teeth, you feel there is kind of discharge, and these kind of things are there which are normal. So this happens because there is the body undergoes lubrication during the night when moon is present, and at the same time it also nurtures our body. That means sleep is extremely important for nurturing our body cells, rejuvenating our body cells. That's why night for human beings is very essential for sleep. That's why Ayurveda don't all the Ayurveda, if you see various kind of havanas and various kind of Ayurveda procedures, they are happen during daytime. None of the Ayurveda procedures are been prescribed during night time. At night no Ayurveda procedure happen, because night is to repair yourself, to rejuvenate yourself. That's why it is very, very important that you go to sleep on time and get up on time. Ayurveda also explains, as sun rises in the morning, the digestive fire also rises within you. That's why in Ayurveda a lot of importance has been given that you have your food by 7 in the evening. Don't eat late at night, because if you eat food more late at night means your digestive fire will go down and food will become undigested, and if food become undigested, it will lead to ama, or production of toxins in the system, and which will invite various kind of chronic ailments. That's why a lot of importance has been given in Ayurveda to eat food on time. So that's why in Ayurveda a lot of importance has been given that you get up before sunrise, you take shower, you do your daily things, stool evacuation. After that you do yoga, pranayam, and after once sun rises, within 1 or 2 hours you eat your food or meals or fruits, whatever your diet recommendation is, that you try to eat, because this is the time when digestive fire started rising. So it is a kind of absorption phase of the body. So whatever you put in the morning as a breakfast, that is the most absorbable thing on in the system. That's why in Ayurveda it's been said, like, your first meal should be extremely healthy. That's why it should contain a lot of fruits, so that your body will remain healthy for long. And now, if because of our modern lifestyle, what we are doing, we are getting up late, like 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock we are getting up, digestive fire start coming up in the system as sun rises. When sun rises, digestive fire start coming up, and if your stools, if your bowels are not empty, it start absorbing that toxins, or that bowel, that waste material, it start absorbing. That's why in Ayurveda it's been said that evacuation is must in the morning. And how you can do in the morning, if it is not happening in the morning, you need to tune your body according to natural cycles. What you can do, you eat your dinner early, before 7 if it is possible, you have your dinner. At dinner, don't take very heavy meat diets or something. Try to have anything vegetarian and freshly cooked and organic if it is possible, and little bit of fruits and salads. It will help you in digestion. It will help you to digest food very naturally, and it will easily get evacuated in the morning before sunrise. If your body has not tuned according to natural cycles, don't worry about it. Ayurveda is all about lifestyle. because people are not aware of the fact like this is how the nature and cycles work. That's why they don't pay attention. But once they become aware, they will start focusing, they will start paying attention to these small things which are extremely important. And that is the purpose of me making this video, so that more and more people become more conscious about these things and their health will become more better. And if we don't evacuate in the morning and we carry these toxins or this waste material within us, then body start absorbing it, and it will not suddenly put any impact on the system, but slowly and slowly you will observe it will start working against our immunity. That's why it becomes extremely important that put your body into natural cycles, like get up early in the morning, do evacuation and do your sadhana, and after a certain time have a healthy meal, first cooked meal along with fruits, so that all the toxins will be removed from your system and you will eat very freshly prepared fruits in your system and freshly cooked meals. In addition to that, why it becomes extremely important to do evacuation of your bowels, this lower bowels, like the lower abdomen or lower stomach, it is also the place of Apan Vayu, that is the sub dosha of Vata dosha. As I mentioned in my previous videos, there are 5 types of Vata doshas. Among them, Apan Vayu is one of the sub dosha of Vata dosha, and its place is lower abdomen. It is responsible for governing the sexual functions and also the menstrual functions. In Apan Vayu pays a lot of importance. If you will try to tune your body in a certain way, body has its natural intelligence to evacuate these bowels, to just get in tune with nature. It is just we need to provide a little support to the body so that it can function with higher intelligence which is already present in our body. And if we work against our natural intelligence, that we are getting up at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and we are not doing evacuation, we are not doing any yoga, we are not doing any pranayama, we are not doing any exercise, then what will happen? Then you will observe, you will feel tired whole day, you will feel energyless whole day and fatigued whole day, and sometimes the body tissues which are preparing from like ras, rakt, mas, med, asthi, majja, shukra, that is from one cellular level to another cellular level to another cellular level to another tissue level, and like this how it is making, this process of formation of your tissues will not happen very well if we are not in tune with nature. So let's try to understand to keep our bodies in tune with nature. And we have Ayurveda, we have yoga to support this lifestyle, because if we are unaware about our lifestyle, we are bound to land into diseases. So now we have an answer why it is important to get up in the morning, why it is important to do yoga, to why it is important to do your sadhana. And if you are new to these all things, you have never heard of these things, you don't know what is yoga, you please write down to us, we will send you link, that is Isha Yoga. You can start doing this yoga, it is extremely effective and it is energized, it is very beneficial. And this classical Isha Hatha Yoga, it is very good because it is in the classical form, yoga in the classical form. In addition to that, there are many yoga schools, but make sure like whatever yoga you are learning, it should be from right source, because if it is from right source, only then it will work well. Because if the source from where we are learning yoga, if it is not correct, then definitely it will not yield good impacts on the system. It is just like as we go to a doctor, it is very important that you choose doctor with your wisdom, how his patients are, they are getting improved or they are not getting improved. So this is how you need to choose a yoga teacher also, like whether this yoga is from authentic source. It is very important, so that you don't give any harm to your system. So these things you keep in your mind and make your health better. I hope you will like this video. And if you are thinking what we can do more to make ourselves in tune with nature, so there are various videos. First thing, you know your body type, there is a link below. You click on that link, you write down the answers, we will let you know what is your body type. And once you figure out your body type, what out of these 7 body types or prakritis, then try to watch another our videos which are more focused on vata dosha, pitta dosha and kapha dosha, and try to adopt those things in your daily life, because all these things are about lifestyle, and you try to adopt this lifestyle so that your health will become better, you will stay healthy for long. You need not to suffer like we suffered. I suffered before Ayurveda was not in my life. So I want like nobody should suffer, and they should try to make themselves in tune with nature so that their health will become better and they will become healthy and beautiful human beings. And if you are watching me for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. And also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription. You can click that join button and you can support us. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will like this video. Please don't forget to share it with your friends and family. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care and keep smiling. Don't forget to share. Bye. Take care.